Hey teachers, wanted to show you an awesome time saver within Seesaw. If you came to my session at the beginning of the school year, I talked about the Reflect in Seesaw extension. You can see that it's up here where my extensions are. The awesome thing about this is anytime you use it, so I'm going to use this fluency passage in a Seesaw activity, I like to just select the area that I want to include. So I just select the passage itself, and then since I had a Seesaw activity open already that I was working on, it automatically went right into this activity. You can see it sizes it pretty big, but if I make it smaller, then it will resize my screen and make sure that the whole thing fits. A quick tip, you can see that it links to where I got the passage from. My kids don't necessarily need to see this, so I can go to that link and I can turn it off. But just a quick tip that's been saving me a lot of time. I thought maybe it could help some of you as well.